and folks, this is Mixerwars and welcome to another episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And what we have here today is the latest Kamen Rider to be turned into a kit. It is the figurized standard Kamen Rider Fourze. Yep, so here it is, and let's take a look at the box art. So this is the box art. It's actually depicting when he does his rocket drill space limit drill. Limit break. Yep, and we see the Fourze driver here. Okay, so up to the side, this is what we're going to build. Yep, Kamen Rider Fourze. And here he does his every time he transforms, he does that. And here we go again, the limit break, the rocket drill limit break. To the side, yep, Kamen Rider Fourze. Some information about the show, and as you can see, the kit can actually mimic what he does in the show. So there we have it in the box. So let's see. Let's crack it open and see what we have here. So first off, we have one bag with a silver runner. Another bag with two runners, a separate piece. So for the blue and white, and some dry transfers. You see, this is what I like about Bandai and improving. In build, the very first Kamen Rider that they turned into a kit, they didn't even separate the belt into another piece. But here in Fourze has only one blue section, which is the X, and they created a separate plastic runner for it. So they are improving. And another bag here with two screws. Okay, so the white part, the orange part is for the rocket, the yellow is for the drill, clear parts, and another one, white plate, and the standard stand. Another bag with clear part now. Okay, so Fourze driver is here. Black parts and white parts. Assembly instructions. And the main instruction himself. Yep, there we go. So that's what we have inside, and let's take a closer look at each of the runners. Okay, so first up we have the A plate here, and the A plate has white parts, yellow parts, orange parts, and a clear orange part. So as you can see here, yep, the orange part is for the rocket, the yellow is for the drill, the eyes. Now the white parts is mostly, yep, this is for his arms, feet, parts of the head. Yep. So that here is the A plate. We also have a B1 plate here. Again, B1 plate consists of parts of the chest, feet, legs, waist area. And we have a B2 plate here. B2 is mostly silver parts, so some parts for the chest, shoulder pads, the drill, legs, parts of the belt, neck. I think this is still part for the arms. And we have a C1 plate here mostly black parts. So this is still for the rocket, some part of the shoulder, some part for the head, legs, I think. We also have a C2 plate here. So C2, some part of the feet, part of the driver. I think these are the switches here. We also have a D1 plate. So manipulators, part of the chest. So that's what I could recognize. It also comes with a D2 plate. See, D2 is actually some parts of D1. We also have a E1 plate, which is the Fourze driver. E2 plate, which is the X symbol, the only blue part. And a E3, which is a part of the helmet. Let's not forget the standard stand. And dry transfers. And foil stickers. And there you have it, Kamen Rider fans and folks. That was the unboxing of the Bandai Figurized Standard Kamen Rider Fourze. Now please do subscribe to the channel, like, leave some comments and view other videos, and of course please do not forget to visit Hobby Toys Laguna. They are having their 7th year anniversary, so this is the place where I bought the kit. And once again, Kamen Rider fans and folks, until next time, see you!